In hydrogen atom, the shortest wavelength in Balmer series is lambda. The shortest wavelength in bracket series will be. Here we should express shortest wavelength in bracket series in terms of shortest wavelength in Balmer series, that is lambda. This is the energy level diagram in hydrogen atom. When electron undergo the transition between the energy level, what happen? It emits energy. That energy can be expressed in terms of wavelength as 1 by lambda is equal to r z square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. All the terms have their own meaning. At the same time, shortest wavelength in Balmer series can be formed due to the transition of electron from n2 equal to infinity to n1 equal to 2. At the same time, shortest wavelength in bracket series is formed due to the transition of electron from n2 equal to infinity to n1 equal to 4. From this we can write, that means for example, shortest wavelength in Balmer series, take it as lambda 1 and this one as lambda 2. Then what happened? 1 by lambda 1 proportional to 1 by 2 square minus 1 by infinity square. Similarly we can write 1 by lambda 2 also. Take the ratio. What happened? Lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to like this. At the same time, if you solve this one, you will get 1 by 4. Already we know, that means the shortest wavelength in Balmer series is lambda. That's why instead of lambda 1 we will write lambda. Finally we got shortest wavelength in bracket series is equal to 4 lambda. Therefore second option is correct.